We know that you can't wait to get your hands on all these tools the Conversion Pros offer, but what if you could get them for free? What if I told you not only can you get them for free, but you can make a lucrative monthly residual income? Here is all you have to do. Show people the tools. They will practically beg you for them anyway, because it will make their current business take off like a rocket ship. We will then split the profits with you and give you 50% on every sale. So on a $50 sale, you keep $25 of it. It doesn't get more fair than that. So if you get 2 sales, you made $50, so yours is now free. But let's do a few more examples. Let's say you referred 10 people. That would earn you $250 per month. If you referred 50 people, you would earn $1,250 per month. If you referred 100 people, you would earn $2,500 per month. If you referred 400 people, you would earn $10,000 per month on active members. The sky is the limit. Ask yourself this: who doesn't need more leads and a better way to convert them? Because this system is generic, it works with any business or product and can be used worldwide. Soon as you sign up, not only do you get to use the tools, but you will get a referral link immediately. We pay out commissions to you every single week. So get started today. Today!
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Melvin, and today I want to share something with you. If you're in Conversion Pros and anyone is doubting the power of this program, this video will kill any doubt anyone has about Conversion Pros. Conversion Pros has more value than anyone can ever conceive, and Conversion Pros has done something for me that no other opportunity has. I'm going to share that with you today. Now, first of all, I use Conversion Pros in all of my businesses. All right, I use it to help promote my businesses, to help be able to create that customer acquisition list on autopilot. And let me just tell you this: without Conversion Pros, my businesses would not have given me the financial success that I have today. I've been using it for about 3 years. It has gave me great financial success. And to even share with you that, all of the businesses that I have opened, I've used Conversion Pros to get that initial customer information into those businesses, which allowed me to expand. So I'm going to share with you something. Conversion Pros helped me have a luxury line of cars. What I mean, a personal luxury line of cars, because if I were using the old-fashioned way of trying to promote my businesses, I don't think I would have been as successful as I would have been had I not had Conversion Pros. So let me show you something. I'm accustomed to buying cars. This is a Rolls-Royce Phantom. All right? This was a car that I bought when businesses start to flourish. And because I was using the technology of Conversion Pros, it was able to give me that financial success to get this car. Real Rolls-Royce, and as you know, doors are always open from the inside on the Rolls-Royce. So it's a Rolls-Royce Phantom. So if people ask about the TCP lifestyle, I'm living it. I'm using it in my business to produce income. Another car, Bentley GT. Now, again, using Conversion Pros in my business helps me get more customers. The more customers I get, the more profit I make. The more profit I make, the more I can buy cars like this. And then BMW. So when we talk about the TCP lifestyle, we're not just talking about promoting it. We're talking about using it in your business so it can make your business successful. So if you're a business owner, you're not having success online, get Conversion Pros and increase your opportunity to have financial success in whatever business you choose, because it will give it to you. This is one side of Conversion Pros that most people don't see. If you have a business, you got to get it. Here's my other BMW. I had a license plate. I need to blow that out. So, there's the other one here. Again, thanks to Conversion Pros for providing the easy tools that I need to be able to make my business more profitable. But I'm going to show you the other side of Conversion Pros. Conversion Pros also has an unstoppable income. And this is where Conversion Pros really did something for me that just blew my mind at how powerful it was. I'm going to go on the inside and show you what Conversion Pros just did for me. Okay, I'm going to share with you the other thing Conversion Pros has done for me that no other opportunity has done and no other opportunity will do. Now, with all of the businesses that I have, all the businesses that I took time off to start, if I don't touch them for 2 years, they will not profit. As a matter of fact, they will turn from being a profitable businesses into a debt, into a bill. That's what would happen if I didn't touch it for 2 years. Now, let me share something with you about Conversion Pros. This program is so powerful and it works so good that I had to stop promoting it for a while in order to start up 7 of my new businesses. And it took me 2 years to do that. And over 2 years, I did not promote Conversion Pros. I do not recommend doing this. I recommend promoting it every chance you get. But I made that mistake of concentrating too much on my other businesses and not even putting the time in Conversion Pros. Even though I, as a human being, made the mistake, the Conversion Pros was still perfect in paying me. Let me show you something. I haven't touched this business in 2 years, and I just recently withdrew $4,000, okay? $4,000, haven't touched this business in 2 years, had to put in my PayPal account. I'm going to log in really quick to show you guys. And Conversion Pros still paid me on time regardless of my work. And I got paid off my original efforts even 2 years later. Most programs say they will pay you. Well, Conversion Pros proves it. Here's the $4,000 right here. And again, I didn't touch it in 2 years, ladies and gentlemen. This is the most powerful residual income I've ever seen. And I'm telling you right now, no other program is going to give you this much value. No other program is probably going to pay you, because most people run in situations where they don't get paid. Well, I'm here to tell you, Conversion Pros pays. Whether you work or not, it will pay you for the work that you've done. And that is even a bigger testament to Conversion Pros, because that means the people that are using Conversion Pros continue to use it for 2 years, and they love it that much that they pay that bill, and I'm continuing to get paid. This is why it's so powerful. As a matter of fact, I want to show you what I did with that $4,000. Conversion Pros is actually going to do something that is never done for me before, and Conversion Pros actually just bought me a car. That's what I did with the $4 grand. I actually bought this car here. Let me show it to you. This is an Audi. Let me show you just to show you the company it came from. Get here. This is an Audi A8L luxury car, and I said to myself, you know what? I'm going to use Conversion Pros to purchase me an Audi A8. Very nice car. As you see, it's going through the pictures, not to bore you. Very nice inside. Lovely car. Audi A8. And when I saw this, I said to myself, I am going to use Conversion Pros to make a purchase on this car. As you see, this car is fully loaded, ladies and gentlemen. Fully loaded. All the packaging and everything. And when I say I'm going to live the TCP lifestyle, I'm not joking. Here's a contract that I put on this car, and I used the $4,000 from Conversion Pros to put down on the car. And guess what? I'm going to continue to promote Conversion Pros so they can not only pay for this car, but pay for other cars as well. So Conversion Pros will give you that TCP luxury lifestyle if you promote it. And I got to give a big shout out to David Dubs. I mean, the only regret I have is that I didn't find this system sooner, because had I did it, I would have avoided the struggles and money loss trying to figure things out. This is so newbie friendly. When you join it, you don't have to figure anything out. Just follow the program and make money. And when I get this car, I'm going to get it in 3 days. I just actually paid for it, like I said, with this contract and using Conversion Pros. When I get this car, I'm going to put TCP Life on the license plates. And so people will know, hey, how'd you get that car? Conversion Pros. By giving away a free program, I was able to get a car that was paid for by my commissions from Conversion Pros. So ladies and gentlemen, if you're on a free trial of Conversion Pros, get off of it. You're losing too much money. Start registering to become a member right now and get this system out to all your friends. The free trial is not for you. You already know it's effective. The free trial is for your audience. Promote Conversion Pros. It works. Give away those free trials. Give away 50 a day. All right, if you're not giving away 50 a day, this is free. Give away 50 a day. Find someone to give it to, and I'm telling you, I'm going to start giving away 50 a day. I'm going to issue a challenge. This is my 50 free trials a day challenge. Give out 50 free trials a day. I guarantee you, by the end of 3 months, you're going to buy a car on your own, and Conversion Pros will pay for it, and you'll probably have a mortgage as well. Give away 50 free trials a day and see if that don't change your life. With that, and I just recently withdrew $4,000, okay? $4,000, haven't touched this business in 2 years, had to put in my PayPal account. I'm gonna log in really quick to show you guys. And Conversion Pros still paid me on time regardless of my work. And I got paid off my original efforts even 2 years later. Most programs say they will pay you. Well, Conversion Pros proves it. Here's the $4,000 right here. And again, I didn't touch it in 2 years, ladies and gentlemen. This is the most powerful residual income I've ever seen. And I'm telling you right now, no other program is going to give you this much value. No other program is probably going to pay you, because most people run in situations where they don't get paid. Well, I'm here to tell you, Conversion Pros pays. Whether you work or not, it will pay you for the work that you've done.